Hello and welcome to Learn C++ in an easy way. In this video, we want to learn how to calculate the root of a polynomial of degree 2. So, we start to ask the person to enter three integers a, b, and c and create somehow the polynomials. And we use scene, see the caption, to take a, b, and c, then semicolon. So before that, we should ask the person. So we write, okay, enter non-zero integer a and two integers b and c. Yeah, because we want to have polynomials at degree 2. So I write and L to go to the next line. I also write one colon here to have everything printed nicely. So we run it. It asks us to enter three integers a, b, and c. Now we want to see how is our polynomial. So we print the polynomial is a x squared plus b x plus c and end line. We run it and enter three integers and we see our polynomials. Now we introduce our delta. It's better to be double because later we take root of it. So double delta is equal to, here we want to take b squared. So we need to add another package, cmath, to be able to write and calculate a square and root of numbers. So I write here a square of b. For this I use pov minus 4 times a times c. This is our delta. So now we can find the roots, right? But the root exists if delta is bigger or equal to 0. So look at the caption. If you want to know how to use if, you apply our 7 steps explained in the caption. So if something is true or non-zero, we have our condition here. So here we should write delta bigger or equal to 0. If it is true, then print that the roots of our polynomials are x1, and x1 is actually minus b plus root of sqrt. Our delta, here is the reason we needed double, and all divided by 2 times a. This is our first root if delta is bigger or equal to 0, and the second one is mainly the same, but we have minus p minus, so x2 is equal to, just copy and paste it, and here I write minus, and sometimes the roots are equal. This is the case when delta is 0, but no matter. And now we write, okay, there is no root for this polynomial. So then we are done, and we go to the next line. So this is how we use if condition. We run it, and now we enter our integers. So this is our polynomials, and this is our roots. Yeah, the roots are the same because delta is 0. We put in and run it again, and I enter different integers from the previous one. So I want delta be negative, so I choose C to be big, so there is no root for this polynomial because it goes to else part and delta is negative. So this all happens because we enter a non-zero. But what happens if we enter a b0? We should be clear. So here I write, if a is non-zero, not equal to 0, then apply all these process. Yeah. So here I use if condition again, 7 steps, see the caption, and to be more clear, I put all this in brackets, and now I apply else. And of course here I write, okay, so I print out, you entered or you took a to be 0. Now we test it, we run the program, I enter a to be 0 to see what happens, and you see you took a to be 0. So we are done, and we can find all the roots of our polynomial.